This is how we type mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing. I have another product for you guys from Guess. So lovely looking packaging, premium packaging from Guess, guys. So without any further ado, let me take this off from middle. Here is something I have for you. So we'll take this off, this pack. Lovely packaging from Guess, very premium and high quality. Another bag here to protect this product, and let's take this out from here. Wow, a beautiful looking pack, a bag for men. Lovely, you see here Guess marking, Guess all the way. Beautiful leather bag from Guess for man. Here see, lovely, right? And Guess established 1981. Yeah, beautiful pack, guys, from Guess United States premium brand. Look at this, how you can carry by this side or that side or at the middle as you feel comfortable. This one, beautiful design. Look at this here, premium. This you can open, you can see how it is. You can open it as a button. If you want, you can do that. This side, also this side as well. So as you feel comfortable here, you can see the zipper. Zipper is right, and Guess is original. Let me open inside to see. Wow, something inside to protection, some plastic. Wow, see zipper. Let's take this off. Here is a leather covered with this one. I take this off. We have something to chemically free, natural free, to take out all the humidity inside. Wow, see big sticker from Guess is written inside, all the information. If you want to read you more things here, you can see. Hope you can see here Guess is written, Guess Eco. This one, you have a zipper. You open inside, you put important thing inside. Lovely, carrying your phone, other stuff. You are going outside with you. This is for men in this case. You can use as a female as well, so could be unisex in this, but more as a man. You carry, this is a handle. Lovely design, guys. Carry this way, this bag, beautiful all the way. Let me show you more closer. The zipper here, how perfect this zipper, how perfect everything in this. The bottom, you can see this is flat, so you can carry heavy things inside. All your phones, I use normally 2 phones in this case, more other electronic devices. You can carry your purse with the credit card, all the other things. Wow, lovely. Here some plastic is wrapped over the zipper. Can take this off from here. Let's see, guys. Wow, beautiful in this case. And here all these things, very beautiful premium looking bag from Guess, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.